Hi, it's so good to see you again. So today we're going to be unboxing Petit Vour. This is a monthly subscription. It's $18 a month. I did find a coupon code which gave me 25% off my first box. I'll put that down below. I found it on My Subscription Addiction. So I paid $13.50 for this month. This subscription is vegan and cruelty-free. And it includes 4 beauty products. Be bold, be kind. Opening up the box itself, you get a little message, the creme de la cruelty-free. And there's a card included, which is really cute. Inside the card, it gives you a brief description of what they're about and what's going on for the month of April. And it gives you a list of all the items included along with their cost. And at the back, it gives you a list of how you can earn points towards full-size products or discounts on full-size products. So first thing they have included is a EIR NYC African Black Soap, and this is an active face wash. It looks a little messy because I cheated and I used it already. Well, I had to wash my face, duh. I can't go on camera looking like a scrub. It's a foaming face wash, which I think is pretty cool. Every time I've seen black soap, it's usually like in a bar. It smells like black soap. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it. I grew up with using black soap. I can't really compare it with anything else. My skin feels clean but not dry, which I really appreciate with a black soap. Next in the box is a Blissoma, and this is a refined clay renewal treatment mask. Oh, nice. It gives you directions right on the side. Well, that makes it easy to use. Full price on this runs $10. Ooh, it is goopy looking. I think I'm actually going to use a brush for this one. Oh, it is goopy looking. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, it smells like tea tree oil. It looked like there was a lot, but like I'm 2 dips in and you're already seeing the bottom. This is a sample size, so it's not like I'm like upset or anything, but you only have max 2 uses. If you're super frugal and have a smaller face, unlike me, you might get 3 uses out of this. My face doesn't feel dry at all. It's not like cakey. It is like coming off a little bit. It's not what I would have expected of a clay mask. You know, usually it dries up so much it's like cracking and you can't even talk. That is not happening at all. I really like this product. So I'm gonna go wash this off and we can keep going. I got the face mask off. My face feels so soft right now. It is drying out a little bit, I can see on camera. It was a lot harder coming off than it was going on. I'm pretty sure I got most of it off. I can see my chin's like, it's dry time. It's dry time. They have a Juice Beauty Antioxidant Serum. Daily vitamin for your skin. Use after cleansing and before moisturizing. So that's the serum right there. It's basically like a translucent color. It's an interesting scent. It's not bad. It reminds me of oats for some reason, which is really bizarre. Why this would remind me of oats? Or my nose could just be funny. Caley Beach Babe Natural Brows. And this runs $14. Oh, she's so cute. She is so adorable. And she's in the color brunette. Ooh, she's a sharp one. She's coming for ya. See how she looks. I put on Caley, and she's brown. I may or may not continue to use her. I guess I will if there really is like a really brown eyebrow look I'm looking for. There's nothing left but to